In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Ethernet Unidentified Network. If your wired connection shows Unidentified Network and you can't get online, the issue is often a temporary IP or DNS conflict. The quickest, safest way to refresh those settings is to use a few built-in commands in an elevated command prompt. I'll walk you through each one, explain what it does, and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open an administrator command prompt. Click the Start button, begin typing Command Prompt, then right-click Command Prompt in the results and choose Run as administrator. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes. You'll know you're in the right place if the window title says Administrator Command Prompt. Running as admin is important because network configuration changes require elevated permissions. Now we'll release your current IP configuration. Type exactly ipconfig, release, and press Enter. There's a space after ipconfig. This tells Windows to drop the current IP lease on your Ethernet adapter. It's normal for the connection to appear disconnected for a moment, and you may see your adapter name printed with confirmation that the IP address has been released. If text scrolls by quickly, don't worry, just wait until the prompt returns on a new line. Next, request a fresh IP from your network's DHCP server. Type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Windows will ask the network for a new IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. This often resolves situations where the previous lease was outdated or conflicting. Give it a few seconds. You should see messages showing the adapter name again, and once the prompt returns, your Ethernet icon may switch back to a normal connected state. If the command takes a little time, that's fine. Renewals can vary depending on your router. Finally, clear your local DNS resolver cache so name lookups don't rely on stale information. Type ipconfig, flush DNS, and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This step helps ensure that, after getting a fresh IP, your system doesn't keep using old records that could prevent websites or services from loading properly. At this point, your Ethernet connection should be properly identified and functional. You can close the command prompt and try loading a website or accessing your network resources. These three commands, release, renew, and flush DNS, are safe, quick, and often all that's needed to restore a clean, working configuration on Windows 11 when you see Unidentified Network.